We're New York Sunworks. We are a nonprofit here in New York City. We work with K through 12 schools to build and maintain hydroponic systems in school classrooms, to teach about the science of sustainability to K through 12 schools with curriculum that our team creates and distributes to the schools that partner with us. And I have up here on stage with me.
I'm Nishi. I'm the hydroponics classroom operational specialist. So I maintain all the labs. Okay, so this is called tracking AI. The problem that we're solving is, as Spencer mentioned, we're managing over 350 plus schools that we visit weekly. And you can see in the previous picture, we have a lot of materials that we have to order to each of these schools. So these hundreds of packages that are being delivered are only managed by 1 to 2 individuals that have access to the updates. A member like me that goes to visit the schools, I have no idea where the packages are. I don't know when it's showing up. Sometimes I spend some time looking for it, not knowing if it's there. Because of this lack of real-time visibility to the packages' locations, it slows down our operations. And currently relying on one single point of contact, and we're wasting time seeking that tracking information instead of just having it right in front of us. So the AI solution that we have created was an automated tracking update that provides these real-time package updates. So instead of me going and emailing my team member that has access to this data, I have it in one unified system where I can access the tracking numbers. Consolidating this data makes it way more accessible and way more transparent, and getting the real-time alerts about these packages as well helps us without any potential delays. Yesterday, I was looking for a package and a teacher wasn't there, so I don't know if he received it. If I had a sheet where I can track the package, I would know, okay, it's here, who signed it. So this is the actual workflow of how we built it. So the first step that we did was we created a dummy email for this and sent the hundreds of different tracking emails. And we just sent a few to this email. And right here, Google has this feature where you can create labels, and I labeled it tracking emails. And this was really easy to create directly in Google because they have this filter that you can use. So in the filter, I just typed in tracking number, shipment, confirmed order. There's only so many ways that you can say how things are being shipped. So I just put that directly into Gmail instead of relying on GPT or anything like that. The second step is using our favorite friend Zapier to automate this email extraction. So essentially, when we receive an email about the tracking number, it will be extracted from either the email body, the attachment, or the links. And after that, it gets forwarded to GPT using API, and it summarizes all the tracking details, like what school is it being delivered to, what's the estimated delivery time. The data is then sent to Google Sheets, our unified system, where it'll have the tracking number, the carrier name, and the timestamp. And when I tested it out, it pulled this tracking number from one of the PDFs that we got, and I was surprised to see that it worked, and it worked so fast. So this was a great moment for Sunworks. And step 4, this is ideally where we would like our unified system to look like. Right now, we're going to rely on Google Sheets, but if there's another platform that we can create that has these real-time updates,